guide you through how to check Zelle transfer limit. So the first thing you need to do is to open your mobile banking app or Zelle app, depending on how you use the service. Once you're inside, look for the Send Money with Zelle section and tap on your profile, settings, or gear icon. From there, find the option labeled Limits, Transfer Limits, or Send Limits, where you immediately see your daily and monthly sending cap. If you can't find it in the app, go to your bank's website and search for Zelle limits because each bank sets different amounts. For example, some banks allow a few hundreds dollars per day while others allow several thousands. You can also check your welcome email from Zelle or your bank's help center for exact details. If everything still isn't clear, simply contact your bank's customer support through chat or hotline and ask, "What is my Zelle sending limit?" And they will give you the exact number based on your account type. So that's it.